Hi YouTube, welcome to my home machine shop. My name's Howard. This is my daughter, Lori. She's going to be helping me in the machine shop once in a while. She has told me that she wants to learn about machining and welding, especially the welding. So yeah, she's going to help me out.
Hi YouTube, looking forward to it.
And she's very interested in what I do out here, and we're going to try to show her a few things. So this is just a short video to introduce you to her. Sorry, I dropped a wrench. Hate that when I drop wrenches. So anyway, she wants to learn about home hobby machine shops and measuring and machining and welding and everything that goes with it. So that's it.
Yeah.
And we're going to have fun doing it. I'm going to teach her what I know, and she can watch some other videos of you guys and what you do, and hopefully expand her life and what she knows.
Something
so anyway,
different.
Something different.
Yep, something
Yeah.
different.
And she's a good kid, she'll learn. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. And
Bye.
tell them goodbye, Lori.
Goodbye.
Thanks a lot, guys.